Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a boned plant in Skate 4. Now, with the recent update of Season 2, they've added a bunch of new hand plant variations, which are a super cool way to switch up your trick lines and add some variety and uniqueness to them. Now, to do a boned hand plant, all you need to know is you just need to do a regular hand plant by using RB. And you just need to use your right stick to tweak it up. Now keep in mind I'm playing goofy stance, however putting this all together I'll just approach the quarter pipe at a front side angle like this, and then I'll hold RB and my right stick up. Put it all together to show you. Approach at an angle, RB and up. And they have a boned plant. One more time. RB, up. Front side boned plant. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see in the next video. See ya!